Yes, people, welcome to a new video and a comparison between Apple Pay and Google Pay. And when choosing between mobile payment providers like Apple Pay and Google Pay, it's crucial to consider various factors that impact usability and convenience. Let's compare these two services based on key terms important for mobile payment providers. And this is how we're gonna do it. We tell you an important key factor and we tell you from Apple Pay and Google Pay a pro and a con. And first we talk about device compatibility. And Apple Pay, the pro of Apple Pay's device compatibility is available exclusively on Apple devices, including iPhones, iPad and Apple Watches and Macs, offering a consistent and seamless experience within the Apple ecosystem. A con limited to Apple users, of course, excluding those with non-Apple devices. Google Pay. Google Pay's pros in terms of device compatibility. Google Pay is compatible with a wide range of devices, including Android smartphones and smartwatches, making it accessible for a broad user base. Con, while it caters to a larger audience, the user experience may vary depending on the device manufacturer and operating system version. Well, in terms of security, Apple Pay prioritizes security with advanced features such as tokenization, biometric authentication, so you can think of Face ID or Touch ID, and secure enclave technology, ensuring robust protection for transactions. A con, exclusive to Apple devices, limiting access to this level of security for non-Apple users. So for non-Apple users is less safe. Google Pay also provides strong security measures, including device lock security and the use of virtual account numbers for card transaction, safeguarding users against fraud. Well, cons, limited to Android and select non-Android devices, excluding non-Android users from these security features. Well, an important term is acceptance. And Apple Pay enjoys broad acceptance at a wide range of retail stores, online merchants and apps, making it a convenient choice for numerous transactions. A con, it may not be accepted at some small businesses or in regions where mobile payments are less common. For Google Pay is widely accepted at numerous retailers, and it continues to expand its reach, making it a versatile payment option for both Android and non-Android users. Well, some cons. Acceptance may still vary by region and may not be universal at all locations, so keep that in mind. Well, in terms of integration and services, Apple Pay seamlessly integrates with other Apple services like Apple Wallet, Apple Cash for peer-to-peer payments, and loyalty rewards programs, providing a comprehensive ecosystem for users. Primarily designed for Apple device users, limiting its appeal to non-Apple device owners. It's coming back all the time that non-Apple device owners they don't have to choose primarily for Apple Pay. They can better choose for Google Pay, but that's of course based on your needs. Well, so Google Pay, in terms of integration and services, Google Pay integrates various Google services with including Google Wallet for peer-to-peer payments and Google Pay send money transfers, creating a versatile ecosystem. While it caters to a broader audience, the level of integration and available services may differ depending on the device and operating system version. So, you're thinking what's the conclusion now between Apple Pay and Google Pay, and your choice between Apple Pay and Google Pay hinges on your device type and your specific payment needs. Apple Pay excels in terms of security and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, making it an excellent choice for Apple device users. Google Pay, on the other hand, offers a wider device compatibility and continued expansion in terms of acceptance, making it suitable for both Android and non-Android users. Consider your device and where you plan to use mobile payments when you're making your decision. And we come to an end of this comparison, and I wish you a very pleasant day, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.